Hello friends, I'm Vidya Pamari from Vidyavardhani's College of Engineering and Technology, Assistant Professor in Instrumentation Engineering Department. Welcome to the lecture on turbine flow meter. This diagram explains in short how turbine flow meter works. Here you can see turbine rotor as fluid. It may be gas or liquid, enters through this turbine blade. It will cause this blade to rotate in angular direction. The velocity at which this rotor rotates is proportional to the flow of fluid. As this turbine rotor rotates, velocity of rotor will generate electrical signal in the magnetic pickup. The frequency of this electrical signal is related to the flow of fluid. Angular velocity of rotor results generation of electrical signal, that is AC sine wave. The summation of pulsating signal is directly related to the total flow, and frequency of the signal relates to the flow rate. In this transducer, vane rotor is the only moving part of the flow meter, and basically there are different types of flow meters used for liquid or gases. Turbine flow meter is volumetric measuring type of flow meter. This shows the animation of working principle of turbine flow meter. Here fluid is entering and these blades, that is rotors, are rotating with the proportional to the flow of fluid. These are the magnetic picked up as angular velocity creates electrical signal and hence picked up by magnetic picked up. These are the support which will hold the plates, that is rotor. These are the flow strengthener. In this diagram you can see as flow of fluid, it may be gas or liquid, are causing rotation of the blades. Turbine flow meter is very accurate and reliable flow meter for liquid and gases. Flow tube with end connection and magnetic multi-bladed free spinning rotor, that is impeller, is mounted inside in line with the flow. This rotor is supported by the shaft that rests on internally mounted support, and these supports are fastened by locking rings. Applications of turbine flow meter. As different types of fluid are required to measure their flow, oil and gas industry are using turbine flow meter. Water and wastewater treatment plants are using turbine flow meters. In chemical industry, power industry, food industry, beverage industry, turbine flow meters are widely used. In aerospace, pharmaceutical industry, metal and mining industry, paper and pulp industry, turbine flow meters are preferred. This diagram shows liquid turbine flow meters. This diagram shows gas turbine flow meter. This is the flow conditioner installed, magnetic coupling to receive the signal. This shows the reading and this is the metal body, and this indicates the metal cartridge. As every transducer has advantage and disadvantage, let's list the advantage and disadvantage of turbine flow meter. As we have learned, high accuracy of turbine flow meter give accurate reading. It is suitable for extreme temperature and pressures. It can be used on gas as well as liquid. Now let's list disadvantage. This type of turbine flow meter will work only for low viscosity. Moving parts, it has moving parts. It is very sensitive to flow profile. If profile changes from liquid to gas or from gas to liquid, it will not give you better response. It required clean fluids. Now let's see cautions for turbine flow meters. It is less accurate at low flow rates because rotor will operate only at 5% of the maximum flow. It should not be operated at high velocity because damage and wear can occur. Be careful when measuring fluids that are non-lubricating because bearing wear can cause the flow meter become inaccurate and may fail. Hence, it may increase the maintenance cost. Since turbine flow meter have moving parts that are subjected to degradation with the time and use. Abrupt transition from gas to liquid flow should be avoided because they can mechanically stress the flow meter and degrade accuracy or damage the flow meter. Thank you for listening.